The world is quite full of fake people, full with hypocrites who have no base. Very important for a teenager and youth in 20s. In this video, I'll talk to you about some of the things to avoid in their life. We cannot just avoid fully, but we have to know that these things are traitors and can make us be in regret mode in our 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and old age. So, what's the point having regrets in later? It's better to mend things when everything is so mendable. Making this teenage and 20s the best time, because it is actually the best time. The world is quite full of fake people, full with hypocrites who have no base. They are just sold off by money people or by some weird circumstances. They are sold off to those fake people and fake hypocrite people. But as a teenager, as a youth, it is difficult, but not so difficult. It is not impossible. Even if it would have been impossible as I am possible. So, the most important thing in this age of teen and 20s is to spot what is fake, is to find out, is to, somehow learn to judge that this person is fake and you have to avoid that person. This information is fake, this news is fake, and it is always better to do your own research. Nowadays, it is so easy to do your own research because you never know that you are just a victim. Because if you become, it is not so cool to be a victim of these fake people and these vultures around in the society, and also these hypocrites who would portray themselves as great gods and great people. Beware of these gods and beware of these celebrities. I have a song, but that is in Bangla. Maybe I'll put it in some, those annotations or something which happens in YouTube. I will put it somewhere. So spot and know who are fake people, who are hypocrites, who are the vultures in the society, just waiting to pounce upon you and eat you to the bones. Hey, I'm Korak, the teen transformer, and the founder of This Life, Best Life Hub. I'm on a mission to help 1 million teens to live a more powerful life by applying my ninja called the Meta Meditation Matrix. And I have 25 years of experience with teens from all over the world. I can help you program your life with my expertise so that you have no regrets at age 45. Hey, there's a word of caution. Maybe I'm not saying certain things which you would like. Maybe I'm also not, saying things in such a cool way. I'm not a speaker. I'm not a, nice talker. Maybe I'm babbling somewhere and maybe I'm doing certain funny things. But the objective is just to make you feel that you are going through the best time of your life. And I just want you to be happy. Like the way I am, I'm the happiest person on earth. And I want you also to be happy. Why not? Maybe you can share my position of being the happiest person on earth.